In this video, I will show you how to install Reshade on fivem. So this is a step-by-step guide. First, you have to go to reshade.com and download this one so you can select from any of this. So let me click the first one here. You will see that it is now starting to download. Now wait as it is processing. Once done, go to your download folder and run this as administrator, or just double click this one. Now, as you can see, there's this browse right here. What you're going to do is you have to browse or add your fivem here. If you don't like this way, then you can just basically go to your start menu and then search for fivem, click open location, open file location, right click, click open file location again, and then what you're going to do is you have to copy this part right here. For example, if you want to copy this, go back to your reshade installation. Here you have to paste the location of your fivems. So you just have to simply right click and then Control V or paste and then tap open. And then after that, once done, then it will take you directly to this where what you're going to do is you have to click the second one, DirectX, tap this one. Here, what you're going to do is you just have to simply drag or select the reshade that you have downloaded earlier. Basically, once done with the installation, you can now choose the effects you want to install. So once done, you can just simply open your fivem and then you can just choose the effects you want to install. For example, bloom, HDR, color correction. You can install all effects or pick specific ones based on your preferences. After that, you can finish the installation process. So step 5, you need to start your fivem. When fivem launches, you will see the reshade overlay at the top of the screen. So you have to press the home key on your keyboard to open the reshade menu. Follow the tutorial to set up reshade. So select a preset or create your own by enabling disabling effects about and then adjust the intensity of effects to your liking. Save and enjoy. Once you've configured your settings, click Save Preset to save your custom reshade configuration. Enjoy enhanced graphics and visuals on fivem. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.